Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, guys, we did won the Kia K4. I think that's what it is. I think that's what they call it, right? Yeah, Kia 2025 Kia K4. Yep, I forgot to record this thing when I picked it up. You see? I forgot to do that, guys. So we don't have much damage on this one. The problem is it costs so much money for these parts. Yeah? These lights on eBay cost like $500-$600 a piece, maybe $700. Hood costs $1,000. Yeah. Bumper cost $1,900. No, the cheapest was $1,700. Red. It was red. $1,700. Yeah. So I gotta get this thing back to yard one. I just feel I'll stop here and check it out real quick. Stop here at this mall. Check it out real quick. Let's see. No owner's manual. Jeez, I hate that. How a car like this don't have the owner's manual, guys? That's weird. 2025 don't have the owner's manual. I don't like that. Well, it ain't as dirty as the one we saw at Copart, but I think the one at Copart at least had the owner's manual, right? Or did it? I don't know. I really want to see it. I know one of these headlights are broken, but one of them may be good. One may be broken, one may be good. How do you pop the trunk on this car? I don't know. I see the hood. Of course, my eyes are shot. I do see the hood. Oh, there we go. Okay, we do have some parts in here. We do have one headlight. I hope the ratchet. It's a goner. That light is a goner. Can't use it. Got enough. How does this fender look? I don't know why I'm checking this stuff out right now. And I can check it out at yard one. Guys, I do believe we can fix this. Yeah, that's a good. Well, it's not great, but if we can get this right here back straight, we can use it for the main time until we find another good price. Well, that's pretty good, guys. That's pretty good right there. I like that. So we might be okay, guys. We might be okay. We might be okay here. I think that's good too. Got some scratches on it. Got some scratches on it, but it's good. It is good. This right here. This also is good. Alright, we going. When I get further out here, guys, I'm gonna look at this. You start seeing people pop up You always think you're doing something, so let me put the stuff back in here. I think we're good, guys. So right now we know we can definitely use, you see, we can use this fender. At this point we can use it. We just gotta try to get this right here straight without causing any more damage to it. Yeah, so I think we're good. Okay. Alright, guys. It's a short video. I don't know that black stain on them seats over there. That should be able to come out pretty easily. I don't know. Should be able to come out pretty easy. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know though. Should. Keys. Alright, guys. Smell like cigarettes in here. Just the second car done sitting smell like cigarette. The one at Copart, and now this one at IA. Oh, sheesh. You see, the tires are good. Same tires from the factory, because this car only has 3,000 miles on it, guys. 3,025 miles, I think. 3,025 miles. Something like that. You know? You see? So I think we're good. I gotta figure out what's going on here though. Something is definitely going on there. I think it's pushed over a little bit and they gotta come back over this way. And I think this, I don't know, something is weird about this right here. I hope not. Oh Lord, I hope not. That looks kind of twisted right there. Oh Lord. No, it can't be. No. Hopefully, I don't know. I don't see anything. I don't know. I hope my eyes are deceiving me. Alright, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. Maybe when I'm dropping this off. I don't know. Peace.